Listen, and repeat. Avid. 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 Avid means extremely enthusiastic, eager, or interested. In this example, the person is very enthusiastic about running, and all things that have to do with running. People could also be, for example, avid readers, avid supporters of arts or sports. Adjectives similar to avid are keen, eager, enthusiastic, and passionate. Opposites near to avid are uneager, apathetic, and indifferent. Avid. 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 Like the video and subscribe to the channel and learn a new word every day.